Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn how you can save money in piggy banks for the future. Let's get started. Joy, the rabbit's birthday was near. His best friend Roy, the rooster, wanted the perfect gift. He thought hard and finally had a great idea, a piggy bank. On Joy's birthday, Roy gave Joy a shiny pink piggy bank. "Happy birthday, Joy," said Roy, as he handed it over. Joy's eyes lit up. "What's this for?" asked Joy. Roy smiled. "It's for saving coins. Little by little, you can save for something special, like your favorite carrots or toys." Joy hugged Roy. "That's so clever. Thank you, Roy." From that day, Joy started saving happily to buy his favorite things. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Saving helps us get what we want. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.